He didn't even ask me how my day went today.
To be able to use Wan AI, you go to your Play Store and you type in Wan AI. You see it here. Now, yes, this is it. Please look at the logo so that you don't go and download the wrong one. So you go ahead and install. Now it has installed, so I'm going to open it. Now when you open it, this is how it's going to open up. So you come down to the bottom. You see this white plus sign here in the middle. Go to the extreme right. You see somewhere that looks like your profile. You click on it. Now it will open up the window for you to log in. Now you see login with Google. By now I'm already assuming that you have already created a lot of emails that are already logged into your device so that you can be switching easily from one to the other. Okay, I've logged in. When you click on that Gmail button there, it will bring up a list of all the Gmails that are in your device. You will now select which one you want to log in with. So I have selected, I am now logged in. You just choose this row, cancel this. Okay, you cancel that. Then you will come back to this your profile icon again at the bottom right. There's the extreme here. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up your profile like this. Now you can see this 30 credits here. They'll give you 30 credits every time you log into the app for the first time. They will give you for that day, and I think they are giving every day 30 every day for you to use. But you come to this other side of it that says earn. You see it and you click on the earn. You'll see invite and activate. Now this is the invite code. You're going to copy this invite code. If you give it to somebody to activate, you get 150 credits. For every one person that you give it to, they will give you 150 credits, and you can share it to 5 persons. See it here, remaining 5. That's because I have not shared this invite code with anyone. But because you're just registering with this one now, you need an invite code to be able to get your own 150 credits. So by the time you come to activate here, you will now put in the invite code that you will get from me. Feel free, ask me for invite codes, I will give you. You will now come and put the invite code here. Once you enter this invite code, they will give you automatic 150 credits that you will use. Then you copy your own invite code and give it out as well. If other people use your own invite code, you also get 150 credits for each persons that use your invite code. So that will be 750 credits if you have exhausted your 5 invites, and plus the 150 you get. That's a lot. That's about 900 credits in addition to your daily 30 credits that you'll be getting every day you log into the app with this particular email. And you can do this for other emails. So let's say you have exhausted everything you have on this email. All you just have to do is to go to the app, uninstall it, and then repeat the process again. Install it, and then this time around sign in with a different email. You start the process again to be able to get a new invite code that you can distribute to people to get more, and then also activate that one with an invite code. You can even use an invite code from yourself. You can use your own invite code and then use the credit for that day before you now think of start using your daily credits across all your different emails. All right, okay, so this is how you get the app. This is the app. This is how it looks like. This is how you sign in. You sign in with Google, and you select the email that you want to use. You come to this place that says earn. You come to this place that says earn. You click on it. It will show you activate. Invite rather is to get your own invite code. Then activate is to put in the invite code that you already have so that you can get your own 150. Okay, all right, so the next part now I'm going to show you how to use this one to create your videos using your reference image and your prompts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your videos using Wan AI. By now, I believe that you already have your prompts and you already have the image that you want to use as reference. Okay, so you're going to click on this plus button here at the middle, at the bottom one, this big plus button. If you click on it, it will show you up this page. So you are going to select what you want to do. This starring option is to use their characters that they already have here on Wan, but we're not using that. You will come down to video. If it's image you want to generate, you come down to image and select image, but we're doing video, so I'm going to select video. I've selected video. Now under it you will see describe the action and the atmosphere under it in a prompt box under. So I'm just going to click on it. So once it opens, I'm going to paste in the prompt that I want to use. I already have the prompt, so wherever you have the prompt, you go and copy it and you paste it. I'm going to paste the prompt. Okay, and again, how good your video will be depends on how good the quality of your prompt. You watch the video that I did, and I'm going to redo it again with this tutorial. See my prompt. It says use the attached image as the exact character and the scene reference. Maintain the woman's exact facial features, hairstyle, clothing, lighting, camera angle, and background environment with high consistency. That's the instruction I've given to it. Then the description, the action, it says the woman is a typical young Nigerian Lagos woman, age 26. Then I wrote some things about how her body will be doing, and then emotion, she's calm, she's slightly emotional, soft and affectionate. Then for dialogue, I wrote what the woman will be saying in the dialogue. Then for voice, I specify the voice profile as well. And if you want the prompt, I can also make the prompt available. Now you come and see first frame here. Click on this first frame on top. It's for you to add the image. So I'm going to go to my device now and select the image that I want to use. Okay, I already have the image. That's this one right here. I've selected the image. Okay, so you tap on the image to confirm. Yes, confirm. Now the image is loading up. I have put in the image. I have put in my prompt. The next thing to do now is to, select the option. Oh, fail to upload. Let me try again. Okay, I think it has uploaded. Now you'll see this generate, and then you'll see these three lines that looks like a settings icon here just after the generate. Okay, you click on it. Now it's going to show you what you want to do, the options. First of all, it's showing you the model. By default it's showing at 2.7 model. Just leave it at that. That's the model that I used, 2.7. Leave the model, don't touch it. Now for resolution, you see there is 720p, and then there's option of 1080p. I'm going with the 720p. Of course, you know that you can always upscale it. You can upscale it. Then for duration, the longer your duration, the more credits will be required of you. Now currently it's at 5 seconds. You see it's 10 credits. If I move the slider to 6 seconds, you see the number of credits has gone to 12. So for those of you that want longer duration, you can slide it all the way to 10 seconds and even more. But you just know that the longer the video, the more credit you will consume to generate that particular video. But for this one, the dialogue is very short, so I'm just going to use 5 seconds. It can actually generate what I want in 5 seconds. So if you want longer one, you generate longer. Then for settings, it says generate with credit. Yes, you make sure that generate with credit is turned on. The reason is if you toggle it off, you will not use your credit, but it will take long time. It will take a long time to generate, but it can also still generate without credit. If your credit finishes, you can still generate, but it will take longer time. But since you have credit, just go with credit. Then this inspiration mode, leave it toggled on. I think this is all the settings. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on this generate here that has 10 credits on it. Click on generate, and then it's going to start generating. So it's generating. Don't mind that it's showing estimated time 19 minutes here. It doesn't take that long. In less than a minute, it will generate. So once it generates, I'm going to go ahead and play it so that you listen to the quality. You look at the quality, you look at the lip sync, just check everything. You see that it's good. Afterwards, we'll download it. Okay, it has generated. Let's go ahead to play it.
You didn't even ask me how my day went today.
Okay, now I don't know if the audio is going to come out because of this screen recorder I'm using. It usually
You didn't even ask me how my
it usually does not pick the internal audio recording unless maybe I use an earpod or something. So but you've listened to the final output. I'll put the final output in the beginning of the tutorial or at the end so that you can listen to it. Then if this is good, you like the output, what you have to do is you will now come to this, look at these controls at the bottom here. You see three dots. That's the first one at the bottom. You click on it, you'll see download, rerun, delete, report, cancel. So I'll just go ahead and click on download. It's downloading. Always make sure you download your clips to your phone. I think it has downloaded. It has downloaded. So that's it, guys. If you want to do another one, you just click on this back. You come and click on this plus button again. You click on the plus button. You see this describe the scene you imagine. You tap on it. It's going to show you to where to select the image. You add in your prompts and then you generate. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now in the first tutorial I did not show you how to log out. Assuming you wanted to log out from this, you just come to this your profile here. You see these three dots, three dashes at the top left of your screen. You click on it, you see all the options here. You see the option to log out. It's the very last one there. You tap on it. Are you sure you want to log out? You click on log out and that's it. Always don't forget, by the time you're done with this, if you want to get referral code for your other emails, you have to uninstall the app and install again and then log in with the email that you want to get referral code on. So guys, that's it. That's how you use this to generate you can also use this to generate images. So but I don't want this tutorial to be too long. It's the same process. You just go ahead, you let me go back, cancel. You go back, you come here, you click on this plus sign. I'll select image. It means what I want to generate now is image. I will enter this prompt box, type in my prompts, you paste your prompt there, you go ahead and you generate. You see it's taking less credit to generate. It's taking 2 credits to generate this image. You see it. Of course, you can also select your aspect ratio. For video, it didn't show my aspect ratio because I already put a reference image. It's going to take the aspect ratio of the reference image if you are generating for video. But if you are generating image, you have to specify the aspect ratio that you want your image to come out in. So currently by default, it's at 16:9. I can change it to it's at 9:16. I can change it to 16:9 or 1:1 if you are trying to generate a headshot. But for all this, you can use Flow. Flow is free, but except Flow is giving you issues, you're having problem with using Flow, you can come and do your image generation here. They are consuming fewer credits. With 2 credits, with 30 credits, you can generate a lot of images. Generate with credits, it's about the same thing, and then you go ahead, you click on generate. So that's it. That's how you generate images and you generate your videos using Wan AI with your reference image and your prompts. All right, guys, if you need the referral code, reach out to me. I would share my referral code with you, and feel free to use it, and also share your referral code with others so that you can get more referral bonus credit as well. Cheers.